Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can reduce Google Photos storage. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the Photos section, Memory, Library, and lastly the Search section. So basically, guys, right now, in order to be able to reduce your Google Photos storage, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, you're going to find this menu right here. Here, firstly, you're going to find the account you're logged in with. Under it, you're going to find the backup status, account storage, and right here, you're going to find free up space, review out of sync changes, your data in Google Photos, photo settings, and lastly, help and feedback. So if you want to reduce the storage, go ahead and click on free up space. Here you're going to find you're ready to free up space. These items are already safely backed up in your chosen quality. You can still view them at any time in Google Photos. So right now, we're going to click on free up and then click on allow and then just wait for it to load. Here it says freeing up space. This may take a little while. You'll get a notification once it's done. So just wait for it until it's finished. As you can see, guys, in my case, I'm going to free up 555 megabytes of space. Now it's close to finish. And once it's finished, you're going to find this message. You're freed up your space. So once you finish, just go ahead and click on done and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.